Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book, 100 Go Mistakes and How to Avoid Them, written by Teiva Harsanyi.
In the world of software engineering, readability, expressiveness, and maintainability are crucial. These qualities ensure a system's longevity and help organizations remain agile and competitive. Google introduced Go in 2007 to address these modern needs, and it has since been widely used, especially in cloud computing. Go intentionally lacks many common programming features like type inheritance, exceptions, and operator overloading. The Go FAQ states these omissions are to keep the language simple, fast, and clear. Go's philosophy focuses on providing essential qualities for large-scale organizational use, such as stability, with regular but compatible updates, expressivity with a minimalistic approach, quick compilation times for developer efficiency, and safety with strong static typing to prevent type errors. Go also has strong concurrency support with Go routines and channels, reducing the need for external libraries for concurrent programming. This is key given the importance of concurrency in modern applications. Although Go is often viewed as a simple language, with its core features quickly learnable, its simplicity does not diminish its depth. This is why examining common mistakes in Go is beneficial, even if the language itself appears straightforward. Go's simplicity in learning does not imply it is easy to master. For instance, concurrency in Go is simple to understand, but difficult to implement correctly. A study on concurrency bugs in Go projects like Docker and Kubernetes showed that most severe bugs were due to incorrect channel usage. The lesson is to deeply understand Go's features and avoid common pitfalls. Proficiency in Go requires time, effort, and learning from mistakes, and this book aims to speed up that process. 100 Go mistakes are categorized into 7 main areas. 1. Bugs. Software bugs can be costly and even deadly, as illustrated by the Therac 25 radiation therapy machine incident. The book discusses various types of bugs and the importance of avoiding them. 2. Needless complexity. Over-engineering for hypothetical future needs can lead to unnecessarily complex code, making it harder to understand and maintain. 3. Weaker readability. Readable code is crucial for long-term maintenance and collaboration. The book provides guidance on writing clear and understandable code. 4. Suboptimal or idiomatic organization. Poorly organized code can make a project difficult to maintain. The book addresses common organizational mistakes in Go. 5. Lack of API convenience. Inconvenient APIs can be less expressive and more error-prone. The book discusses how to create user-friendly APIs. 6. Under-optimized code. Performance issues can arise from a lack of understanding of language features or fundamental knowledge. The book explores optimization techniques. 7. Lack of productivity. Choosing a language that maximizes productivity is important. Improve your coding skills by learning from common mistakes.
Get this book at manning.com.